gonna head outside and do some yard work.
Blade the grass? Watch out!
These tools make it easy. Check out a pruner with a 20-foot reach. A powerful multi-tool that trims, prunes, tills, and sweeps.
I dig it big time.
And a chainsaw that's powered by hand. Want to know how John Deere makes mowers that turn on a dime?
Yeah, I know how to maneuver.
You'll find out on a factory tour. Plus, a wheelbarrow with a revolutionary design, a water-saving device for sprinklers, and a wood chipper that's lean and mean.
That's a beautiful sound. Cool tools for yard work coming up.
And how to turn your garden debris into mulch.
Perfect for a planter bed.
Up next, how do you get rid of the stuff you chopped down and pruned? Just feed it into this machine.
The most efficient way of handling it is to put in a chipper.
Learn about the wood chipper and see them made.
We weld it, we grind it, we blast it, we paint it, and we assemble it.
A trip to the Praxis factory coming up.
After I've been cutting and trimming and pruning all day, I got a lot of branches and debris to pick up and haul off. Or I could rent a wood chipper, turn all this into mulch for the garden. We're heading to USPraxis in Illinois, where they make all kinds of tools to chew through wood.
When it comes to clearing branches and debris, you can either hire someone to do it or get one of these. This portable wood chipper is a new product by USPraxis. The brainchild of owner and CEO, Jim Cornelius.
When we went into the project, we wanted a high-capacity chipper, 6 inches, that you'd be able to fit to a standard 36-inch gate opening, and we nailed it.
It's portable and powerful.
It'll get up to just about 38 or 3,900 RPMs, and that's the operating speed that we want when we start feeding the branches in. You can hear it starting to hum. That's a beautiful sound. Now we're ready to feed it.
This hungry puppy chews up and spits out tiny chips for landscaping.
Here's that mulch. Nice and fine. Perfect for planter beds.
When it comes to cranking out wood chippers, these guys got it down.
We weld it, we grind it, we blast it, we paint it, and we assemble it.
The process starts in the welding center, where the prefabricated parts are welded together and grinded down before heading to the sandblaster.
The sandblaster works on compressed air and these little metal beads. It's actually called shot. It's 60 grit. And what we do is we blow it onto this strip and it cleans it. The benefit of doing the blasting is really to get an improved finish. A lot of people use chemicals, but we like to blast it. It's the best way to ensure a good coat.
Next stop, powder coating. The sanded pieces are grounded and then sprayed.
It attracts the powder almost like a magnet. And you're actually bonding the strip at a molecular level. It's not just an exterior paint that's easy to crack and rust through. You could actually pound on this surface and it won't chip. It lasts for a year. It's a much better way of coating metal.
The powder-coated pieces aren't done until they've had time to cure in the oven.
You could cook a pizza in here. We actually often refer to the powder coat paint process as taking a cake. When it's completed, it's done, and we pull it out.
Once the painted pieces cool, they're ready for final assembly.
To assemble a machine takes us roughly 3 hours from start to finish. After we get all of the metal fabricated and painted and then put together here, then we have to assemble everything.
Two guys team up to put the chipper together. And this is where you can see what sets this chipper apart.
We have this mulcher cutter block, and what it does is it prevents the system from jamming, and it creates very fine mulch. Most chippers this side only have a single cutter blade. We use 2, more of a efficient cut, and it makes a cooler noise, frankly.
Right now, USPraxis manufactures about 250 wood chippers a year. And while not many average Joes have the need to buy a chipper, they're a perfect rental tool for those times when you need them.
If a tree falls down, If he needs to remove a tree from his backyard, if high winds take off some of the branches, he needs to do something with those branches. The most efficient way of handling it is to put in a chipper.
Now that's some serious shredding. If you want to find out more about the wood chipper or any of the tools you've seen today, just go to our website at DIYnetwork.com. See you next time.